the iconic M5 V10. Sabine drifting on the Nürburgring. Man of the man with balls. M5, very sexy. Lighting up those tires is a breeze for the M5. Hearing that V10 scream to the heavens. So you would think that's what I bought, right? Hell no, I can't afford that car. Man, I bought some car in the bush. Okay, let me tell a story real quick. So I basically hit my boy up. I'm like, hey man, I'm trying to get a car for my channel, trying to build a car, trying to sink my teeth into a car, trying to build a car. So I was talking to my boy. I was like, yeah, I got a car. You know, my buddy has a car in his yard. That would be a perfect car. Pulled up. Come to find out, the car is literally in the bush. So the next day, went to the trailer, got the trailer open, pulled the car out. Car has no battery, nothing, dead, flat tire, everything. So now let's talk about this car. Look how filthy this car is. I don't know what the hell is that on the trunk. I think it's like tree sap or whatever. It's just been sitting there forever. I think this car sit there for like at least 2 years. All the tree stuff is in there. All that nasty stuff. Like, I don't know how I'm gonna take this thing off. Look at that. It's like it's in the paint itself. It's all over the car. Like, the car is very filthy. So this gonna be some work to get this car to how I want it. But the point for this car, you know, it's for the channel. I always like the E60 BMWs, especially the manual ones. I got locked out on this car. This car, you know, is a 6-speed manual. It's very rare. You don't find these cars that much. And to be honest with you, I always trying to stay away from the N54. I'm an N55 guy. I like the N55, but I'm gonna take a chance. 6-speed. What can go wrong, right? Look on this engine. It's just dirty. Rat nest in the car. All this stuff that we have to clean all of this. It's crazy. Look on the wires. That's the O2 sensor wire. The rat eat that up. Yeah, it's bad. It's very bad. Cobwebs is in the car. Yeah, so my boy is coming over, and you know, we're gonna try to. He's gonna help me clean up the car a bit because I never washed the engine before. So with his guidance, hopefully everything is good. And he also have a strong power wash. So anyway, this car is very filthy. So we gotta clean it, pressure wash it, and then we're gonna soap it down, clean it before we actually touch this car because this car is very filthy. From you can tell from the video. Probably have rats. I wouldn't be surprised if I found snake in there. So we're gonna get to the power washing and I'll get back to you when I'm finished. Alright guys, so we power washed the car and it came out pretty good. It cleaned up nicely. You know, it still got the sunburn. We can't do anything about that. I think, you know, that's just the sunburn. But the bodywork doesn't come with that, you know, it cleaned up pretty nicely. You know, all that grime stuff was on there. It comes out pretty nicely. You know, but like these things we can't do anything with because sunburn. So you know, still need a bit more cleaning, but it's clean enough that we can start cleaning inside the car and working inside the car, because the last thing I want to do is work on a dirty car. But so far, not bad. So we're gonna tackle inside. We're gonna try to sort out the fuel pump, and hopefully we can get the car started. Because I bought this car non-running, you know, taking a gamble on it. So hopefully the engine is good. So after we vacuumed the car and power washed the car, it's time to install the fuel pump, because this car didn't have any fuel pump. It got brown water. I think water and gas was in the fuel tank. Anyway, we cleaned it out, and now we're going to install a brand new fuel pump and hopefully get the car started. All right, guys, so we cleaned the car up. Look how nice that looks. Yeah, clean up, nice enough. So now we can start installing. So that's the fuel pump, and that looks weird. So which one is which? So we have a fuel pump here on one side. I think that's the side go on my side, right? Yeah, I think that goes over there. Yeah, this go on this side.
You know, every time I'm doing something like this, I always play like the James Bond song.
Yeah, you love James Bond, man.
Either like James Bond, Mission Impossible. It'd always be like a ridiculous song that I'm playing.
Whoa, isn't that a piece?
I'm gonna
right
pull it
there?
off when I
Okay.
get to the other side. Or we're just gonna leave it in the tank.
Let me see how it works.
Because race car.
Well, it's not a race car. This is going to be a street car that you bring to the track once a while. Which one of the tracks? We don't know. Could be drag, could be circuit. We will see what this N54 can do. I guess I need to do some work now. Trying to grab it. Oh, wrong hand. Let's see if I can film this while fishing. God damn.
Yeah, it's hard. Because of the angle.
This is harder than I thought it's gonna be.
Hold on. Can you see it?
I can't see Jack.
Nothing?
Nothing, bro. Nothing. I push my fingers. Push my hand. Oh, I feel it.
Wait.
Whew.
I'll pull it.
This is a two-man job. It's not sitting right? It wasn't installed anyway. That plug on the top, that's it. And this, everything plug into it. It should be pretty simple. Guys, don't tell anyone. See, this guy, he's a Volkswagen guy, and he's working on BMWs. And he has a kick-ass VR6 E3 turbocharged. And that car makes some jam. So secretly, I'm trying to convince him to switch over to BMW. So that's why I always invite him over to help me.
Everyone knows what you're trying to do.
On my BMWs. And convert him to BMW.
The dark side.
The dark side. Volkswagens are great because I have a lot of Volkswagen myself, but it's also green on the other side, so eventually he's gonna be a BMW guy. Just watch. Alright guys, we did the fuel pump, so we're gonna see if this car actually turn on. Moment of truth, huh? Alright guys, so let's see. Whoa. The hell? Let's try again. Oh shit! It's working! It's misfiring like a bitch, but it's working. Water pump is going. Water pump is no good. But it's running. I don't know why it's on like this. Huh? The O2 sensor is not working. The ear is sucking. The fan is on. Huh? Yeah, we have a lot to get done with this car. Probably something is disconnected, but I just wanted to find out that this is running. And the engine is running. So, guys, I think we have to sort some stuff out. But it's running, guys, it's running. That's all I care about. I'm gonna top the gas a little bit. That's it here. Yeah, guys, it's on, but it's misfiring like crazy. All the dashboard is on. Everything on his mama is on this car. But the fuel pump is working, so gotta scan the car and find out all the stuff that's wrong with this car. You see it's flashing, so it's definitely misfiring. Oh! It's no cats on this car. I just realized it. There's no cats on this car. Cats. No Cadillac converters. You didn't hear it? There's no cats on this car. Oh shit, look! They cut the cats! There's no cat, look, they cut it! I don't know if you can see it.
Yeah.
Yeah, this car got no cats, guys. And the water pump is no good because the fan is turned on. Well, it looks like I have my hand full. Guys, it looks like a lot of work gotta get done with this car. Anyway, guys, I'm gonna call it. Car is running. We just have to put it in the workshop and pull it apart and start the maintenance. Anyway, guys, also thanks to Sean. I'm gonna have his social media in the description so you can find him. If you need any VR6 help, that's the man to go to. Anyway, guys, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and if you have any questions, leave it in the comments below. Alright guys, I'll see y'all later.